Let me ask you, how do you know the Edifier TWS NB2 Pro buds or the charging case are not charging? There is no charging or connection LED, or when you check, the battery percentage does not change, right? Well, if that's so, in this video, we're going to show you how to fix this issue. Now, since the buds get their charge from the case, first make sure the case has enough charge. Now, when you open and close the lid of your case, if it blinks just once, that means the battery is low, it needs recharging. If that's so, take out the buds and charge the case only. Now, while you do so, make sure you're using the original cable and a functional power adapter. Also, make sure the charging port is clean. And then, attach or reattach the charger properly. Now, if it starts charging, great. If it's not charging, you can change the cable, adapter, or the power source combo if available to you. You can also try using a laptop or PC by connecting your charging case to it. Also, you can use a wall outlet if you weren't using one. If you were using one, just change the port. Hopefully, your charging case will start charging after that. In that case, charge your charging case for at least an hour. Now, once you've ensured the case is charging, after an hour or so, insert the buds in the case and make sure they're in their respective slots so you can close the lid properly. After a while, check the battery percentage of your buds from the app. If you think it's not charging, take out both the buds, and then with a soft brush or piece of cloth, whatever is available to you, clean the bud slots, these charging pins, and also the connectors at the back of your buds. After cleaning, keep them inside the charging case. They should start charging immediately. Now, if your buds are still not charging, now while the buds are inside, hard reset it by double pressing in this button. You'll see flashing white LED. That means the reset is in progress. After that, you'll go into pairing mode. Now, if there is no hardware issue, the reset has solved any minor glitch that might have caused the no charging problem. Hopefully, this video could fix your not charging issue. Please let us know in the comment section if it does. Thanks for watching.